Hello everyone, welcome to Business and Data Warehousing. This is week number 5. I am sharing with you the blackboard as well as my outline of what I'm going to cover. I want to cover a brief overview of the rest of the term for week number 5 through 8. I wanted to remind you that all assignments moving forward are group assignments for week number 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll talk a little bit about the overview of this week and what you need to do for this week's assignment. There will be separate demo videos will be posted when they're processed, especially on how to do the lab. This is the week number 5 blackboard. This is the week, and assignments are due on December 4th. As usual, there's a list of the objectives. We'll talk about the ETL process. There's a learning material available for you. There's a lesson plan, the lecture video, and other demo videos will be posted, updated as soon as they are processed. There's some lab resources that you would need to use, and there's a reminder that all work moving forward will be group work. There's a list of general resources that may be useful for you, so take a look at them as you see them fit. There are 3 assignments. Now here's a writing assignment. So all these are group assignments. Here's a writing assignments, basically asking you to answer these 10 questions. Here's a lab that you need to do as a group. Again, not everyone needs to be doing this. But somebody within a group needs to do this, or we can take a sharing portions, but this lab needs to be performed and submitted. And afterwards, do like a post for the learning experience of how we went for the ETL process. Now let me download the lesson plan and go over them a little bit with you. So this is what you see. Let me make it a little bit larger. It's pretty much the same. So I went over the objectives to understand the ETL, extract, transform, load. Now that we have talked about the general concepts of data warehousing, we need to be able to actually do hands-on experience and learning. And there are tools that we need to know how to do. The first is the ETL process. And this process basically is to get the data onto the data warehousing. And so watch the video, read the resources, and answer some of these questions. It will make a lot more sense when you are actually doing the lab as well. Group assignment for ETL, I just mentioned. I'd like you to be able to do that. I will provide you with a sample data file that I would like you to use. And I'd like you to submit 3 things, and it'll be more clear when you actually see the demo. But first thing that you need to do is to process the file that I'm going to give you, make it all ready to be transformed and uploaded to the data warehousing. So when the file is cleaned up and ready to be loaded, I'd like you to submit that file. The second portion of the ETL is using the Visual Studio. I'd like you to upload that video, and not the video, the file, using the Visual Studio. And when you get to this portion, take a screenshot showing these icons as well as how many rows and the green check marks. I highlighted them with red. You don't need to do the red ones, but I need to see that they actually work successfully, showing the green marks and the number of rows. So take a screenshot of that and submit. Another is when you get to the end of the actual putting into the database with data warehousing. At the end, you'll come to a screen like this. So I'd like you to take a screenshot of this and submit. I want you to take a screenshot in such a way that shows the detail of the uh, SQL Server instance so that I know that it is unique to you. Show the two tables that you are working off and then the script as well as the showing of the rows. You don't need to show all the rows. I just need to see some, whatever display when you right click on the table to say show like 100 or 1,000 whatever. Take a screenshot of this and submit. And then be able to post your learning experience on the discussion board. So those are the things that I'm looking for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, look forward to receiving